Today we're going to show you how to change the detergent dispenser on your dishwasher, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of needle nose pliers. Let me show you how we do it. Now before we begin this repair, the first thing we'll need to do is to disconnect the power to the dishwasher, so locate the proper fuse or circuit breaker and disconnect it at the panel. Next we'll open the dishwasher door, and then we'll remove the two lower screws that secure the front panel to the inner door panel. You may need to support that panel as you remove the screws, and then we'll just tilt that door back into a closed position. We'll let the panel drop down, we'll remove it and set it aside. Now our next step will be to remove the wires from the terminals on the wax motor on the existing detergent cup. So just grasp the end of the terminals and pull them straight off. Next, we'll remove these 6 Phillips screws around the perimeter. Now we'll carefully open the door again, and then we'll push the old dispenser through to the inside, and we'll remove and discard the old dispenser. Now when installing the new one, we'll want to make sure that we keep that wax motor on the left-hand side. So just position it through the opening. And we'll very carefully install 2 of the screws. Take caution not to over tighten these screws. There is a gasket around the perimeter of that dispenser that will seal tightly against the inner door panel. But we don't want to tighten the screws too much that we strip them. And the bottom left-hand screw has a retainer for the wire harness. So we'll reconnect the wires. Make sure the terminals are on nice and tight. We'll loop that excess wire through that retainer. And now we're ready to put the outer door panel back on. Now there are 2 slotted openings on either side that will engage these hooks on the inner door panel. So we'll just hold that into place and tuck it up underneath the control panel. Now hold it in place while we open the door. Check the operation of the detergent cup. And our repair is complete.